You can order the power steering pressure switch used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release handle and open the hood. This will show you the location of the power steering pressure switch at the center of the engine compartment behind the engine. Position a fluid container under the pressure switch to catch any power steering fluid that may flow out. Slide your hand behind the engine. Disconnect the pressure switch electrical connector. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. You can check the condition of the connector. In case of wear, we recommend replacing it with a new one. If you want to know which parts and tools we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need. Using a 17mm wrench, stop the connector on the pressure line from rotating to avoid damaging the line. Then, loosen the pressure switch using a 19mm wrench. Finish unscrewing by hand. You can now remove the pressure switch. You can order the power steering pressure switch used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new pressure switch. Then screw it back on, initially by hand. Secure the connector again. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Then, screw the new pressure switch back on. Plug the electrical connector back in. Operation complete.